Welcome to our channel. Let's dive into how you can fix duplicate charges on Square step by step. Welcome to our channel. If you have encountered the issue of duplicate charges on Square, don't worry, you are not alone. And there is a straightforward way to resolve it. Start by logging into your Square dashboard from your computer or the mobile app. Once logged in, navigate to the Transactions section. Here you will see a list of all your recent payments. To identify duplicate charges, look for transactions that have the same amount and date or similar customer details. Once you find a duplicate transaction, click on it to open the full details. Next, review the transaction carefully to confirm it really is a duplicate and not a legitimate separate charge. If it's confirmed, proceed to the next step, which is to issue a refund or void the duplicate, depending on the transaction's status. Now, if the duplicate charge is still pending or not yet completed, you can void the transaction by selecting Void Transaction. This action will cancel the payment and prevent any money from being transferred. If the payment has already been completed, then you will need to issue a full refund. Go back to the transaction details and select Refund Payment. Enter the refund information, including the reason for the refund, and confirm the refund. Once done, your customer will receive their money back. Usually, the refund process takes a few business days to show up on their bank statement. After dealing with the refund or void, it's important to check your linked bank account or payment processor to ensure the correct amounts are reflected and no further duplicates exist. Finally, to prevent duplicate charges in the future, it is good practice to regularly monitor your transactions, keep your Square app updated, and educate your team on common causes of duplicate payments, such as double taps on the terminal or network issues. Fixing duplicate charges swiftly not only saves your business money, but also helps maintain trust with your customers. Thank you for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and liking the video to support more useful content.